Just go home. That's your home. Are you too good for your home? Answer me! $20, my guy. Keep it going. Tap. Yeah, buddy. You want a Miller's or Coors? Ow! They almost killed me. I almost died. Like I literally fell through the grate. Wait, why are you getting excited about me almost dying? You're like, ah! Dude, I'm telling you, I need to call up Adam Kerner. Yeah! Those girls have lost it. Completely gone. Oh my God! Dude. Can you believe it? You made it to 5 o'clock. Where's your IDs? Birthday guys. You're first, I'm the 25th, and you're the 30th. Together. We're like the Oreos of November. $4. There you are, guys. Thank you. Bud Lights are $6.50, man.
I just do all Millers.
2 Miller?
5 Millers.
5 Millers. Where's everybody at? What's up, man? Hell yes! $55! Yeah, man! Thank you, guys. You're welcome. Woo! Oh my God. $2.50, man. Want to grab this one? 2 beers? $1, man. Jeff. You ready for another Bud Light? Oh my God. Oh man, I had to twist your arm. Then yes, that's the only thing that will cure what ails you. Not even close, man. Not even close. That's not made right.
Another kid twisted his ankle. He'll wear a brace or a wrap. So I had my hands full.
I bet you did, man. Jeff, she gets extra cherries. Extra. It's better than being basic. Don't rock the jukebox is a song I want to hear. What? Jeff. Jeff, I got you, man. No. Bud Lights are $6.50, man.
What's so special?
You are, sir. Miller Lite, Coors Light, rum punches, and margaritas.
You guys have a wine called Moscato?
A what?
A wine called Moscato?
Yeah. It's not that special, though. Okay. You don't mind paying for the Bud Light?
That's a Miller?
Yes. $21.50, sir. $20 on the rail! Yeah! Oh, really? Mine aren't gonna taste as good as Jeff's. They'll be all right though. It might sting a little. Hey Jeff, don't flock it up, man. Don't flock up her flocktail. He's gonna fucking rock your socks off. I don't give a flock. You're not drinking fast enough.
I know.
We need to turn it into third gear.
Dude, I've been hammered the past 3
You should be. You should be hammered today. You should be hammered the entire time you're here, man. Hammer time. Hammer time. DJ, if you could play some rock, that'd be great. Rock and roll would be awesome. Anything besides this, because I don't think this is our crowd demographic. Just saying. He's not reading our crowd. Yeah, something, man. He's in his own little world over there. And do you guys have your ideas? Thank you, man. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. $55! Yeah, man! Sorry, man. Hey man, can you hook me up with some rock and roll, please? Yeah. Give me like AC, everything, man, please. Want to grab your phone? Ready? Caught me slipping, man. Put your arms around me, baby. Put your arms around me, baby. I just wanna fly. Put your arms around me, baby. I just want to fly. Take me down to the paradise city where the grass is green and the girls are pretty. Now won't you please take me home? Dear What's up? In West Philadelphia, Born and Raised.
Be one another, time!